Hi, and welcome to another video here from the windowcleaningstore.com. You know, the other day I was going through my list of product videos I made last year, and I was actually surprised to realize I never made a video for this, the Procision 2 water-fed pole last year. I made a video for the trad poles, the 12-foot and the 18-foot trad poles for doing squeegee work. But we also have these in 30-foot and 40-foot water-fed poles. So the Procision 2, if you never saw my other video or you don't know anything about the product, this is marketed as an anti-spin pole. Now, what do I mean by anti-spin? Well, anytime you have a telescopic pole that uses round tube sections, as you use the pole over time, over the months and over years, whatever, the raising and lowering the tube sections, you will eventually get some wear and tear on the tube sections, and you'll get some spots here and there which are actually thinner than what they were when they were brand new. So even though you have a tube section and the clamped up nice here where it's thick, maybe somewhere else along here you've got a wear area and it's a little bit thinner. So when you're going up and you're cleaning and you're not realizing that you're in that little thin area, you might get spinning between tube sections. So the Procision 2 anti-spin actually has anti-spin technology built inside the tubing. So what they have in each one of the tubes is a track and a guide, which will always keep everything all lined up. Your clamps will always line up. All the sections will always line up. So it doesn't matter where you have it extended, no matter how much wear and tear there is on the outside of the tube sections, you'll be cleaning and you'll have full control. Now these poles are made of full carbon fiber. They're nice and rigid. They will come with an angle adapter, 4-jetted nylon brush, 100 feet of tubing, and water hookup. So you can hook up to whatever water-fed system you end up buying. Now on the bottom of the pole, you'll see it's got this nice rugged rubber end cap, and it's got like these 3 spiky points. That's so that, you know, when you got the pole standing on the ground, if you got the tubing that's coming through and it goes off to the side, the spiky things help to raise it off the pole or off the floor, so you're not pinching the pole hose. So that's pretty handy. So we have these sold here at the windowcleaningstore.com. We have the poles sold separately, as well as in package deals with water-fed. Anyway, I wish you all a very successful window cleaning season just around the corner. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.